Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I am trying to make you learn all the types of the WBCs, what are their functions and how do they work, and in the abundance order also, okay? We'll be discussing all the points related to the WBC. Now you know very well WBCs are classified into two categories, granulocyte and agranulocyte. Their cytoplasm is having granules, we say granulocyte. Now, depending upon are they able to take acid dye, we say acidophil, like eosin is an acid dye, or are they able to stain by the basic dye like methylene blue, we say basophil. And if they are able to stain with any dye, means either acidic or basic, we say neutrophil. But if cytoplasm does not have any granules, we say agranulocyte, and there are two categories, lymphocyte, which is again of two type, B cell and T cell, and last one is the monocyte. Now understand it like a story. See, first of all, our body is always under threat from the pathogen like virus, bacteria, and your nematodes, anything. They are under always constant threat. And these microscopic invaders, what they will do, they will exploit our systems. So our defense system is very strong. These WBCs, these are the specialized cells which will try to save our body every second, and they are moving through the blood circulatory system. So let us try to understand. See, first of all, try to memorize it. All the WBCs in this sequence, it is according to the abundance, most abundant to the least. Focus carefully. If you see, we learning tip is never let monkey eat banana. So never means neutrophil, which is most abundant. Second is lymphocyte. Third, monocyte. Then fourth, eosinophil, and basophil is the least among all the WBCs. Now see here, we'll study each one by one. Neutrophil, which is the most abundant, nearly 60 to 65 percentage of total WBC. You can say whenever the first pathogen, whenever the pathogen enter in our body, the first responder is always neutrophil. Neutrophil will be the first person to arrive at the site of infection. It will target bacteria and it will destroy bacteria by doing phagocytosis. So you can just like a story, moment the infection come, the first person to come is the neutrophil, which is most abundant. Then lymphocyte is the one who is, you can say, making a strategy. It will make strategy because it has to decide by T cell directly destroy and keep the, or if suppose they want to keep the memory of this encounter, then they will make the antibodies through B cell. So basically the master strategy person is the lymphocyte who has to develop strategy whether we should keep a memory, then they will make B cell active and B cell will make antibodies, and some cell will be changed as a memory cell, or they will directly destroy it. And special type of lymphocyte, that is natural killer cell, which will kill cancer or virus infected cell. This is the second most abundant WBC, 20 to 25 percentage. Then third, monocyte. Number is less, 6 to 8 percentage, but it is very big, giant. You can see the diagrammatic representation just to make you learn. This is the giant warrior and it can change into macrophage. The monocyte can change into macrophage, and after macrophage it can eat heavy pathogen. It will clean up the dead and cellular debris also. Then eosinophil is the one which will be actually a very less percentage, 2 to 3 only, and they are more mainly associated with allergy infection and sometimes due to parasitic worm also. In these cases they will be trying to manage our system. Now, basophil is, which is the least, only 0.5 to 1 percentage. Its work is only to give an alarming signal. An alarming signal will be to release histamine to start the inflammatory process. Heparin, so that the blood flow continues, should be there because heparin is an anticoagulant, and serotonin. So these are the 5 types of WBCs. I try to explain you like a story. Once again, just revise. The first person who is coming is neutrophil. Lymphocyte is a master strategy person. Monocyte is a very big WBC. changes into macrophage to eat everything. Eosinophil will be working for allergy, and basophil is the one which gives the alarming signal. So once again, classify it. First responder neutrophil will destroy the bacteria by phagocytosis. Lymphocyte will make a strategy to kill the directly killing by T cell or to make antibody through B cell. Monocyte is a giant barrier. It will do phagocytosis by changing into macrophage. Eosinophil will be working during the allergy or during warm. And basophil is generally an alarm person to release heparin, histamine and serotonin. So if you see now sequence, first sequence obviously alarm. Alarm signal is given by basophil. Then immediately neutrophil will come to do the phagocytosis. Then monocytes will come to clean up all the remainings and large particles. And lymphocytes is the one end game to make a master strategy whether we should keep a memory of this encounter or not or directly destroy it. Eosinophil will only be working in the reserved condition, especially for the allergy threat. So once again, this is a mind map. You can see neutrophil for bacteria and for you can see for bacteria destroying neutrophil and monocyte. For virus infected and cancer cell, these are the lymphocytes. Clear? For parasitic worm and allergy, eosinophil. To remove the dead tissues, also again monocyte. And for inflammatory response, we want the help of basophil because it will release histamine. You can check one video is also there for histamine.